Hello, everyone. My name is Rui, and EyeCheckup is an early diagnosis system for preventing vision loss. We need eyes to see the world, and we need eyes to see the world, and many people see the world like this. How would you feel if you saw the world like this? And even many people see the world like that. Can you imagine entirely black world? However, 80% of all such cases could have been prevented with early diagnosis, but they still aren't, because routine eye exam is not popular, inconvenient, or maybe even expensive. That's why we have developed EyeCheckup, which is a screening system that can be used even at primary care. We take the retina image of the patient and send it to the cloud for diagnosis. And if everything is okay, we say come back in 12 months. And if any pathology is found, we say go visit ophthalmologist for treatment. And it's perfect timing for EyeCheckup because in United States, AI-based retina diagnostics is already reimbursed by insurance. 77 million have been invested in our competitors already, and 14 different countries are starting such screening programs in the world. We have some competitors, but most of them are limited to a single disease and a single camera model, while EyeCheckup can work with any type of professional camera, and we already work on 3 different diseases. Our previous successful startup, New Vision Fundus, is being used by 600 retina specialists across the world in United States and Europe. Actually, EyeCheckup is a spin-off from this project. We were analyzing retina images before and just added diagnosis with artificial intelligence. We have 3 dealers in United States, which will help us scale up faster. These are some of the happy customers that are using New Vision in Canada, United States, and Europe. Our founding team is experienced in each of these fields. I'm software developer. We have professor of ophthalmology and sales expert in ophthalmology. Our advisory board has the world top 10 retinal surgeon. Our team is very young, very energetic, that can do any job that we need. We started 3 years ago, received quality management system, received investments. Our clinical trial is running, and we plan to dominate Turkey market within next year and receive 13 million revenue in United States. Our total accessible market is very large, but we plan to start with the United States first and achieve a revenue there. Currently, we are looking for 2 million investments, some of which will be used to run a new clinical trial in the United States and start marketing. Thank you very much. I'm happy to answer your questions.
And thank you very much. Well done again. Also compliment on the timing, nicely delivered. And here's the first question by Danielle.
Thank you. Rim, could you just maybe clarify who is your end customer? I'm not completely clear on monetization. Thank you.
End users are optometrists and family doctors. So we plan to bring EyeCheckup close to the patient. So without going to an ophthalmologist, while visiting your family doctor, you should be able to do eye exam.
And what kind of monetization have you foreseen, if you may?
If there is reimbursement, then pay per exam or subscription, some tier-based subscription.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Any other questions by the jury? Oh, there you go. Bagran, please.
Yeah, quick question on the on your approvals in the US, right, or in other markets, and where do you stand with FDA and other sorts of approvals?
Okay, we are already running clinical trial for 900 patients that will finish in May. We already scheduled CE mark approval. We have already done meeting with FDA and plan to run clinical trial in the United States this autumn. So next year we will get FDA first quarter and start marketing in the United States.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Very interesting. It's just interesting. I know I don't want to be too personal, but I just saw Bagran kind of inhale, guy. And he was like, no, he kind of kept the second question to himself. So let's see what's going to happen there. But again, maybe I was wrong in reading your facial expression. We still have time for one more jury question if you want. If not, again, oh, there we go. Lola, please.
Yeah. Hi, Rim. Thank you. Is my video working? There we go. I wanted to double click on Danielle's first question about your customer. What kind of incentive would a GP office have to adopt your solution? What would it mean for their business?
Mainly, this is reimbursement. So the GP will receive reimbursement per exam. He will get this payment from the insurance. But for optometrists and other users, also the main source is reimbursement and paid customers.
I see. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. And we have one audience question, which will also shoot in your direction. Question to Rim, how do you collect and label data?
That's a great question. We have 6 ophthalmologists on board that are helping us with labeling. We have developed our own labeling software for artificial intelligence. And our team has gained enough experience to label or review those labelings. Sometimes we even argue with our professor saying, this is this or this is that. He said, I don't know. We say also, we also don't know. So we have come to very expert level with these markings and labeling.
Thank you very much, Rim. It's a pleasure seeing you again. Thank you very much for the pitch. Thank you very much for the Q&A session. Jury, you know what you need to do.